Hi, hello. Welcome to Adobe Illustrator Masterclass, Adobe Illustrator Complete Mega Course Beginner to Advanced, Chapter number 13, Advanced Tool of Shaper Tool, Pencil Tool, Smooth Tool or Joint Tool. In this video, we will learn about the advanced tool of Pencil Tool like that. So, as you know, this is the Pencil Tool. We can draw something like that with the help of pencil tool. If you have some pucker about the mouse, you can draw easily using the pencil like that with the help of pencil tool. Okay, now second one is a shaper tool. Shaper tool, if you draw something like that, automatically this create the rectangle. If you create like that, automatically create the triangle, circle, hexagonal, like that. Okay, so sharpener shaper tool is very important if you have to fast draw something like I want circle, I want oval, like that. Fast. Don't go to here. This is the tool for rectangle. This is the tool for ellipse. Draw the ellipse. Okay. If you want, just go to shaper tool, drawing. Select this shaper, created shaper, and this tool will be height and width. You can decide like that. Okay. Next one is smooth tool. Smooth tool is very important like that. Just a minute, I will delete everything. If you create something like zigzag like that, some shape is zigzag. Smooth tool, smooth the path like that. I want to smooth this path like that. You can zoom and see smooth path like that. You will see smooth path will be created like that. As his name is smooth, we can create a smooth path like that. This is used if you create image, convert image to vector, then some line is zigzag. That time you can use this tool to smooth the path. Okay. Path eraser. Path eraser as the name of eraser like that. If you want to erase the path, this path I want to erase like that. Here too I want to erase. Here I want to erase path eraser like that. Just select object and go to eraser, path eraser, path will be removed. But another its advantage is select this. I want to fill the color and go to path eraser tool like that. This tool is very important if you create some cartoon without the path like that. Without the path, you can fill some character like that. Without the path, it will be created. Okay, next one is a joint tool. is the name of the join tool. We can join the something like that. I want to join this line. Just go to here, join. Why I need join? Okay. Here also we can join. Multiple join you can join. Not only one is will be joined. But first you have to select that. Go to join. Not joining. Join. Okay. Now if you want to fill this, fill and go to your path eraser. You can erase the path like that. Just a minute. Path will be erased. Without path you can fill the object also by using this tool. But one more thing is there. You have to erase path only. Like that. Okay. So in this video, in this chapter, we have learned pencil tool. Draw anything with the help of pencil. Second one is shaper tool. If you draw something like that, they will create it automatically. Like that. Triangle. Okay. Smooth tool. We can smooth the edge of your object. Smooth the object. First select object. Just a minute. Select object. Go to smooth tool. Like that you can see the image. Smooth. Like that. You will see strawberry will be zigzag but smoothness. Here also I will draw some like that. Like that. Smooth. Like that. Okay. And path eraser, as you know, you can erase the path. Join tool, we can join something like that. I want to join this. Joint. That's all. So thank you